special delivery. Did someone order handsome?
Ta-da!
All right, now how are we gonna get out of this thing?
Hold it, just like you would me. Ah, yeah.
Welcome, everybody,
Welcome.
to the new spot. This is all the junk that this is some of the junk that we've taken out. This is the real junk right here.
Ladies first.
Thank you.
Bitches last.
Lupe's bitches. To start off, we have the server room. That was our old intern. He didn't make it. This is it.
Smells like bubblegum in here.
So we replaced the tiles. We did the lighting. We primed it. It has not been painted yet, but we primed it. We removed all the nonsense that was in here. We're putting the tables back. Bathroom behind you. We have a light now, so LED light in here. Before it didn't work. The ladder is here so that I can pee because I'm that short.
He pees sitting down, people.
It dips right into the toilet. We have spectator lounge as well, so you can watch.
There's gloves there for the examinations.
Exactly, yeah. And the assists. You can hand someone the toilet paper. So, another interesting thing, while we were doing the ceiling tiles in here, this is what we found.
Well, well, well. Oh, snap.
This is a phone book. I know this is covered in schmegma. This is a 9X phone book from 1993. Now, half of you guys don't even know what a phone book was. But before you could Google phone numbers, this is what they had. I'm actively getting cancer holding this thing. There's probably money in here. Turn a 10,000 profit for your business instantly. Just sign up for my course. This is some light reading.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking touch that shit. Disgusting ass. This is going to be the streaming room. If you remember before, it was filled with all sorts of stuff. All this disgustingness. This is going to be the room where we're going to play video games and stream and do all our live streams. I don't think we're going to be filming in here. The audio is a little weird in here.
Echo.
Yeah, big echo.
Exactly.
For airflow, we have a nice intake fan right here. All the cold air is going to come in through here. It's going to get exhausted through here, which is why we have that. We just don't have the exhaust fan yet. This was fun. You can see us paint here. I'm going to put a little time lapse here. That was us painting this room, or priming this room. Looks a lot better with a LED. We have two 2x2 LEDs in there. Very nice.
Hot in there.
Very nice. It gets hot in there. That's why we have the whatchamacallit.
I'm the hottest in the room.
Tiling was very difficult. Tiling was very difficult because nothing in this place had a 90-degree angle. The guy that built this was a heavy meth user. Now airflow, that was our biggest concern. Was airflow, isn't that right, Lupe?
No.
Oh, you got some in your beer. Delicious. Airflow is the biggest thing because this place was hot as hell. 105 degrees in the big room when it was, 85 degrees outside. So not too kind. We cannot cool that big room. I know a lot of you guys said, oh, get a mini split system. How much is a mini split system, Lupe?
Expensive.
Very expensive, over $5,000. Now, if you think I'm gonna spend $5,000 on a system for a place I don't even own, you're out of your mind. I don't have that kind of money. And the last thing you wanna do is ever spend money on somebody else's place. Never improve someone else's place. You can improve it slightly like I did here. But as you can tell by the quality of the work, I didn't pay anybody to do this. So we're not finished painting yet. The paint scheme, as you can see, is black and white.
And blue.
The theme, yeah, what did I say, scheme? The scheme is to rob all you sons of bitches. The theme is black and white, just like a raccoon.
And like our skin.
Raccoon's gray, isn't he? Black and gray? Whatever. A very albino raccoon. Come on in once you see this room. The desk is gone, as you can see. One of the ACs is in this room, the other AC is in that room, and you can't see it now because we have them off, but we have two fans blowing the air, the cold air, from these two rooms out into the main room right there. So during the summertime, the only thing is to refurbish in this main room right here. We have to forget the big room exists because it's just, you can't cool it. So that's the idea going forward. It's comfortable in here. This is gonna be the office. My desk, my wife's desk, your mother's desk. Lupe is gonna be right here so that all of us can share him. This room hasn't been painted yet, it's been primed. I did some of the trim and promptly gave up after I mean, actually, it's not.
Look, people,
yeah, it's okay.
How do you get paint on the masking tape? It's crazy.
I used a roller and I was doing it quick, and when I realized it didn't look good, I stopped. And now I'm hiring somebody to come and do it for me. Stop that.
You did a great job.
I pay you to film, not to critique. I don't pay her at all. This is the room that's actually set up. Now the reason I haven't made any content over the past 2 weeks or however long it's been, is because every single step of this process has been an amazing pain in the ass. Huge pain in the ass, every single step of the process. It was too hot to work, so we had to install the ACs, but we couldn't install the ACs without having ceiling tiles in because the cold would just, you know, go right up. So I had to put the ceiling tiles in, but to put the ceiling tiles in was a whole adventure that took a week and a half. And as you can see, they came out perfect. Perfect. We are so good. We are the greatest contractors you'll ever. You guys want to hire some contractors?
I'm hiring, or y'all are hiring. Hire me.
So that's why the content has been slacking for so long. I'm trying as fast as I can, as hard as I can, to get everything back up and running, but it's been difficult. We at least have the store computer in here. I haven't even decided what this room is going to be. It's probably going to be the shipping room or something like that. I haven't decided yet, but I needed to at least set up one room so that we could start filming and pumping out content. So yeah, once you come in, can you see? Can you see? We have actual internet here.
Yes.
Actual internet. No more fuck-ass subway. 14
megabits per second.
Kilobits. Yeah. Kilobits per minute. Yeah, so if you guys can help me out, I don't know, this stuff, is it like fiberglass? I don't even know. But I mean, I'm sure it's not safe to touch, so I really want to take care of that. Okay, so that stuff's not safe to touch. Don't touch that. Just
don't
for all you kids in there. Let's continue. Oh, my legs.
Oh yeah.
So how do I cover that? Please let me know in the comments, all you contractors that are watching this and absolutely screaming at your screen right now. I was thinking of getting some like 90-degree trim stuff. Just let me know in the comments. We also ruined the carpet, so that was rough. We didn't tarp all the way. That's when I decided to hire somebody because that costs money. It's been rough. It's been a very difficult few weeks because we also have a lack of labor, so it's just us doing all this stuff, and every little thing takes so much time. But I am excited. Lupe, how you feeling?
I wish I could say the same. Just kidding.
Lupe wants nothing to do with you guys. Intern's dead. So we ran Ethernet, and by we, I mean my beautiful, lovely intern that does not wish to be seen on camera. Ran the Ethernet, which is good because that was one of the things we were worrying about. This is going to be all laptops that we're going to be refurbishing. We have so many laptops, so many. We have over 50 laptops right now that are ready to go, but we don't have the infrastructure to actually ship them out. So bear with me, and thank you for bearing with me for the past few months. I know it's been crazy. Last month I overbooked sponsors, so I was trying to get out as many as I could because I knew this month was going to be dead. It's very difficult to create content, computer content, when you don't have a space to do so, and when you have to try to renovate a space. So Lupe has gone the distance and he's done so much. This guy, best painter, he paints your wife, he paints the walls. You'll see in the time lapse, he can paint. This guy paints. So the workbenches are gonna be here. That's where all the laptops are gonna be lined up. We'll probably have a switch installed somewhere so that we can Ethernet to the ones that we need to Ethernet to. But I also want to have a shelf above, kind of like we did at Subway. Just a shelf with like the laptops that I want to showcase, just like I did at Subway, the exact same thing, but we have more room now. So that's the idea. Filming, I think we're probably gonna film like right here because the lighting is good here.
Yeah.
We'll probably close the door so you can't see someone taking a shit when we're filming. Think about hanging up a sign somewhere because we have the Salem Tech sign.
Yes.
Nice LED sign. We'd have to hit up Tony from. This room is probably I know Lupe is the most excited about this room as well.
Oh yeah.
Because Lupe is gonna have his DJ equipment in here, and
Shirts
I'm gonna have the streaming in here. So this is where we're gonna live stream so we can actually make money. I'm most excited about this room, and I know Lupe is too. So I can't wait to get this room. As soon as we paint this thing, we're all set. Should we paint it white?
Or put down in the comments below what color we should paint this.
Should we paint this room white? It's gonna be a streaming room. We have two 2x2 LEDs in here. That's all the lighting we're gonna have in this room. So what should we paint this? I need to hear from you guys on this one. Brown?
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody leave hate comments for that guy.
I like purple.
Lupe wants purple.
I mean, when you get that black light in here, you know, get that nice. Just don't pay attention to the stuff that it's gonna be on the walls and stuff. Just ignore it.
Are you my dad?
This is where you were conceived. We're gonna paint everything white. I think that's a good color for the video. I'll know when I record this video. This is the first video I've recorded with a white background, so I can see how the iPhone picks up the wall. And yeah, so this is it. There's a lot of weird stuff here. Like this is I don't know if it's like a glory hole or something. I don't know what that room even is. Now the big room, the room that we're gonna use when it's not 90 degrees out, has also gone through some changes. Now it may look disgusting. Don't judge me by what it looks like. Now if you look up though, that's the biggest change. That's right, baby boys. We have LED lights up in this. LED lights. So
Can't
now
get this at the supermarket.
you can actually see. Very bright, very nice. It looks like a mess because we have to store everything in here while we do everything out there. But the idea is to get this organized. So every single thing from Subway is now in this room. Every single thing from Subway. Now, if you thought we didn't have a lot of stuff at Subway, Lupe has some words for you.
Yes. Look at this photo, everyone.
I'll keep that.
We already have a few. One above the bed. Now we have two. All the tables that were in there, obviously they're right here, as you can see. So yeah, everything's in here. You can see we have all the tables and stuff. It's a bit disorganized, but we do have all our laptops that we're gonna sell and all that good stuff, all the chargers and stuff. So it's a work in progress, but we are hoping to get up and running by next week at the latest, the end of next week at the very latest, because I need an income stream. Because right now I have no income stream. I'm just pissing money. So yeah, all the contractors in the comments, let me know what you think, where I can make some improvements. But until then, this is it.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Hit
that
that
bell.
1 day later.
Is that a peephole? Oh, it's a glory hole.
Right there it is.